Hi, my name's Elizabeth Smith and I'm a trichologist at the Hair Loss Control Centre in London. And today I'm going to show you how to tidy up your layered cut at home. All you need is a comb and a reasonably sharp pair of scissors. Hairdressing scissors are really important because if they're not sharp enough, all they do is as you cut along, the hair just gets pushed, so you get a jiggity-jaggedy edge. So it's really important to invest in a reasonable pair of hairdressing scissors. My sides are a bit wispy, and I want to take my fringe slightly shorter. I wear it just off centre. So what I've done is straighten my hair and I'm going to cut it dry because that is sometimes easier because you can actually see where the hair needs to be trimmed better sometimes than when it's wet. I'm going to brush it onto the side of my face. Follow the angle of the comb and pull it out, and then just follow the line up. And then when you've got your point at the front, again you can follow the line of your comb to just tidy up the edges. Or like me, if you can see what bits need to come on and you can see the line, follow the line. And that just gives you much sharper shape. Same on the other side. Decide on your shortest point, how short you want it to be. And don't forget that if you are doing this, if you straightened your hair and you've got curly or wavy hair, when you wash it, naturally let it dry, it's going to shrink up, so allow for the shrinkage. Or if you're cutting it wet, again, allow for the shrinkage. So if you want it to sit here, cut it here. If you cut it there, it will sit there. I'm taking my angle. I want to make the top bit shorter, so the width of the top bit is slightly wider than the width of the bottom. So my angle is going that way. Then bring the next bit around. Follow the guide and cut down. I have a bit of a gap there, but I always have that. That's where my hair kind of breaks a little bit. So I kind of ignore that gap. I don't take the line too far back because then this would make this way too empty. So again, depending on if I wanted to go slightly shorter with my fringe, I'd take my angle there, follow that line down. If you want to trim the ends, part it at the back of your head in the middle. Bring each section round, getting any knots out. And then hold it with your comb. And using the comb as a guide, you just take the ends off. And then from behind, it should sit a nice straight line. That's how to trim your hair at home.